present it on stage with me is Gordon Fisher, publisher of the National Post. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Gordon to the stage.
Well, thank you very much, Leslie, and to all my friends from Global, and of course from many posties that are in the room. Welcome to all of you. We believe that this particular award ceremony and the spirit of the National Post are just a great fit. The finalists in the category of clean tech are blazing an environmentally friendly trail to success, using exciting new science to provide innovative green products and processes with a small footprint. These entrepreneurs are driven by a vision that is ecologically and economically sustainable. They shape a sector that holds tremendous opportunity for them and for the planet. And here they are, this year's finalists for Clean Tech Entrepreneur of the Year. Please watch the screens.
Arise Technologies Corporation. In the solar energy sector, Ian McClellan is a pioneer. Since founding Arise Technologies in 1996, Ian's commitment has been unconditional. He also played a pivotal role in research and development of photovoltaic solutions for solar farms and rooftop installations. Arise faced countless challenges as Canada's only vertically integrated solar technology company. But a new day has dawned. Under Ian, the company is now 120 employees strong and a market leader for solar solutions. Timothy Hague. Kevin Norton, Biotech Corporation. The story of Biotech, co-founded by Timothy Hague and Kevin Norton, is a triumph of technology, engineering, and entrepreneurship. Tim and Kevin overcame obstacles at every step in the evolution of their 67 million litre a year biodiesel production facility. Biotech's innovative multi-feedstock process utilizes low-cost input, achieves 99% conversion, and at the same time sidesteps food for fuel issues. With their impressive record of performance, Tim and Kevin are firing on all cylinders. Cameron Manners, Newflow Incorporated. Cameron Manners took a sewing machine and a plan to repair the inside of pipes and parlayed it into an international success. Cameron recognized aging piping infrastructure and the unsafe water associated with it as an opportunity. He launched Newflow and patented a simple in-place solution using epoxy lining. A market leader, Newflow today has over 250 North American licensees. Demand for Cameron solutions are skyrocketing across the board. George Scott, Scott Environmental Group. George Scott illustrates that a focused strategy in business can ensure environmental and financial returns. In 1996, George started Scott Environmental Group. The company has evolved into an integrated environmental sustainability and waste management firm. Scott Environmental provides everything from green bins to emergency cleanup and e-waste. George's groundbreaking facilities that transform organic waste into reusable substances have established the company as a solid business proposition and green trendsetter.
The 2009 Ontario Clean Tech Entrepreneur of the Year is Timothy Hague and Kevin Norton.
I interviewed them.
You did?
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
With Quan?
No, with John Gowdy.
Thank you very much. It's a great honor, great pleasure, and thank you very much to Ian Y for this great opportunity. Again, I am accepting it on behalf of Tim as well, who unfortunately can't be here tonight. I guess first of all, I'd like to thank the the judges and Ernst & Young, but secondly, congratulate the other finalists as well. Some great projects, great opportunities. As being part of this is my third or fourth year. I've been part of the event itself, and I'm always inspired and very excited about listening to all the stories and that much more encouraged when you move on to the next phase of the project. Just one thing that Tim and I used to always say, it takes a great idea, it takes money, and lots of it, and more than you think it's going to take, but it takes a great team. And that's one thing that Tim and I are very, very proud of. We put together a really fantastic team, and it's on behalf of that team that we accept this award. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, thank you, Gordon. Our next category is for the Manufacturing Entrepreneur of the Year. It is now my pleasure to invite to the stage last year's Entrepreneur of the Year award winner in the category of Consumer Products. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to the stage someone who can turn an event run by accountants into a party. The co-founders of Steam Whistle Brewing, Cam Heaps and Greg Taylor.
When Cam and I came in tonight, a young lady came up to me and said, "You guys the dance troupe for tonight." So if you want to cue the tunes, we'll show you what we can do.
Welcome everybody. We're here to present the award for manufacturing, something we know a little bit about, and the beauty of manufacturing is it's a bunch of people who take raw materials, which many of us would consider nothing, and turn it into something. In other words, manufacturing is all about transformation, and it's not just about products, it's about solutions. Finding and implementing solutions is in today's challenging business environment takes determination, courage, agility, a high tolerance for risk, and a huge set of dreams.
And the people on stage, it's really great to see them up here because they're people who have been told no so many times throughout their lives, and they just understand go, and it's great to see Ernst & Young celebrate their successes. The finalists you are about to meet tonight have played a critical role in their own industrial revolutions. It's my pleasure to introduce tonight 2009 finalists for Manufacturing Entrepreneur of the Year.
Countermeasure Systems Corporation. Felix Como plays a role in making people think before drinking and driving. Since 1986, the technological developments of his company, Alcohol Countermeasure Systems, have included introducing portable breath alcohol testing instruments and the first ignition interlock device. ACS works with organizations like MAD to discourage drinking and driving. By tracking units installed in vehicles and providing data to the appropriate authorities, Felix has won respect and clients around the world. Steve Mai, Eclipse Automation Incorporated. Steve Mai's passion for innovation was behind the birth of Eclipse Automation. Steve parlayed his experience in machine building into his own enterprise in 2002, leading a highly trained team that provides one-stop manufacturing solutions for custom equipment. Steve diversified beyond the auto industry with successful manufacturing partnerships, including a Petro-Canada gas station and a prototype for a hockey training facility. By providing high-quality equipment solutions, Steve is engineering strong returns. Dr. Alan Carswell, Biotech Incorporated. Dr. Alan Carswell's innovations have contributed to the exploration of Mars. In 1974, Alan spun Optech out of a research project and focused on the commercial exploitation of laser radar. LiDAR instrumentation remotely provides accurate, cost-effective 3D imaging and surveying to its client base worldwide. Optech continues to be a recognized leader in this elite field. For Alan, with growing market share and soaring revenues, the sky is indeed the limit.
Manufacturing Entrepreneur of the Year in Ontario for 2009 is Dr. Alan Carswell.
A great honor and pleasure to accept this award, receive this award tonight. I just want to make sure that it's understood that all of the activities that I'm involved with, the entrepreneurial type, are supported and depend upon the outstanding, excellent team we have working with us at Biotech. First among those, I want to recognize my wife, Helen, who co-founded the company with me in 1974. Now, Helen, as a registered nurse with no business experience at all, decided the first thing to do was to go out and take a typing course, which she did. And then for many of the early years of the company, she looked after all of the administrative and financial aspects while I looked after the technology. Tonight I'm also pleased to recognize and express appreciation for the next generation of our family, all of whom are here tonight. Our three kids, Don, Ruth, and Diane, and their spouses, for many years now, have been all playing leading roles and making important contributions to the company. Finally, I would like to recognize the team at Biotech. It's world-beating, and I think that we couldn't have gotten anywhere without the outstanding capabilities of the whole work. And I could add my thanks to the organizers, the sponsors, and all of the other folks here tonight to make this a wonderful occasion. Thank you.
You'll be very popular when you do that photo around the office, trust me.
You'll be popular with that.
Best dressed guys in the evening. All three of them. All right, our next category this evening, ladies